Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Easy. Today we are going to learn another exam style question for GCSE Maths. So this is the 11th question type. In questions like this, they usually give you a graph. Sometimes just could be just worded like that. The sketch shows a curve with equation y is equal to ab to the power of x, where both a and b are more than 0, positive values. 2 points on the curve are a, 1 and 12. B, the coordinate points are 4 and 96. So find the values of A and B. I have seen this multiple times in GCSE past papers. So let's see how to do this. Now to do a question like this, we have to identify the value of x here, and this is the value of y. Now I'm going to write y is equal to abx for this one. So what's my y value? 12 is equal to, I don't know what a or b are, but I know x is 1. So I get 12 equals ab to the power of 1. Let's call this equation 1. Let's do the same thing for this one. This is my x value, this is my y value. So y is 96 is equal to ab to the power of x is 4. This is the second one. Now, many students have difficulties in solving this. They don't know what to do, but there's a very easy way of doing it. Once you know what to do, you can always do that. So the easiest way to do it is you can divide one of the equations by the other. Well, you can do it either way, 1 over 2 or 2 over 1, but generally I would divide the big one by the small one, so that it's a bit easier. So let's see how to do this. The left hand side of the second equation here is 96. So let's write that one here. 96 divided by the left hand side of the first equation. What's that? That will be 12. Okay, let's put 12 here. Is equal to right hand side of the second equation is ab to the power of 4. Put this here. Divided by the right hand side of this one is ab to the power of 1. ab to the power of 1. Now that's 8 is equal to, now you can clearly see a and a gets cancelled out. B to the power of 4 divided by 1, you take away the powers. 4 take away 1 is 3, so that is b cubed. Okay, b is the cube root of 8, which is 2. So I know the value of b is 2. Now, I already got this one. To get the other one, I need to substitute. I can substitute in 1 or 2, but 1 is simpler. So let's go with that. So substitute in 1. And all you need to do is 12 is equal to a. I don't know a, but I know b is 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. So to get the value of a, I need to divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. The value of a is 12 divided by 2 is 6. So b is 2, a is equal to 6. Now, if you want to check whether you got this one right, there is a simple way to do that. All you need to do is substitute in one of these equations, 1 or 2. Let's do it with 2 because we just used 1. So a is 6, b is 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 16 times 6 is 96. I know I get the same answer, so I'm right. Here's a similar question to the one we just discussed. Can you please pause the video and give this a try? When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the correct answer. You do the same thing. You write the equation for a and then for b. Then you divide 2 by 1. So you get 27 is equal to q to the power of 3. So cube root of 27 is q, which is 3. Substitute in either 1 or 2. I did in 1 in green. And you can see the value of b is 5 over 9. Now to check if you are right, you can actually try this with the next point. Let's do that really quickly. So let's put p is 5 over 9. Okay, so that's 5 over 9 multiplied by cube to the power of 5. So cube is 3. So let's do 3 to the power of 5. Now, you can split this 3 to the power of 5 to 3 squared and cancel with the 9. Let's do that actually. So that's 5 times 3 to the power of 5 divided by 9 is 3 squared. And if you do 5 times 27, you get 135. So that's the same as this one. So you know you're right. Here's another question quite similar to the previous one. Again, press pause and give it a try. So here's the correct answer to this question, just the same way. So write the equation for the point A, point B, divide one by the other, get one of the letters, and then you can substitute to get the other one. Now to check it, you can always substitute in the other one. Now let's do the check really quickly. So the value of P is 4 over 3. So let's sub it here. 4 over 3 multiplied by Q is 3 cubed. Now, I know 3 cubed divided by 3 is 3 squared. So it's 4 multiplied by 3 squared. And 3 squared is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. I got the same answer as this one, so I know I'm right.